Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'll show you how to set up your XIAOMI A Pro TV for people with color blindness. First, we have to press the gear button on the remote control to open the quick settings menu. Then select the gear icon on your screen to go to the all settings menu. Scroll down to accessibility features, then scroll down to the color correction option. Enable using color correction and then select one of the available presets. Select the one that shows you the colors correctly. You can use grayscale, but that's not exactly it. You can use deuteranomaly. In case you have this condition, protanomaly or tritonomaly, just select the one that suits you best. From now on, the colors on your TV will be adjusted to your own preferences. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helps you, please consider subscribing, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.